Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to apply for a job online at Qatar Airways. Whether you're a fresher or have some experience, this step-by-step guide will help you through the process. Let's get started. First, go to the airline's career website at careers.qatarairways.com. This is the official website of Qatar Airways, and you'll find the link in the description of this video. On the careers page, you'll see an overview of job opportunities at Qatar Airways. To search for jobs, enter the job number and job title, then click on the Search for Jobs button. Alternatively, you can scroll down to see all the available jobs. Take your time to find the perfect job for your career. Once you've found one, click on it to check its complete details. Here, review all the job details and requirements. After reviewing everything, scroll down to the bottom, where you'll find the Apply Online button. Simply click on that. Now, if you already have an account with Qatar Airways, you can sign in. If you're a new user, click on the New User button to create an account. Fill in your details to complete the registration process. Once you've logged in, fill out the application form by providing your details. After submitting your details, your application will be sent to Qatar Airways. And that's it. You've successfully applied for a position at Qatar Airways. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more career tips. Good luck with your application, and I'll see you in the next video.